Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Discord audio screen share on your settings. You just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window and you go down, you will click here on apps and you come to apps window and you just go down here to looking for Discord app. You click here on Discord, then you come to this is window here or app info window. You just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK and you go down, you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data and you turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do to fix that problem you have on your Discord. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.